Welcome to Keep Common Trade. Okay, this is my position today. So today is no profit, no loss. In fact, I traded twice today. I'll explain both the setup and what was the reason for entry and exit. First, first I traded at 1:25 p.m. and it ended at 1:55, around 30 minutes. The stop loss was hit. Okay, so I made around 1500 rupees loss, and I made one more entry around 2:20 p.m. and the trade was completed in 15 minutes and I recovered all the loss which I made in the first trade, and this is the position. Okay, so what was the reason for first trade? Hmm, let's see. I mean, 125, right? 125. So if I see where is 125 here, so the reason for first trade is there was a clear breakout here. Okay, and there was a support here, support. Okay, and the price broke the support and came back, and again in the support area it bounced and broke this trend line, and again it retested this trend line which I have drawn here. Okay, so once, twice, thrice, okay, and four times support. So these are the two factors, and what is the one more factor is connecting the high and low. Okay, so the breakout happened at point 0.5 level, okay, of the Fibonacci series, Fibonacci tool, sorry. Okay, so this is where the support happened, so thereby one more confirmation for the long trade, but unfortunately the stop loss was hit, and I had to book my loss at 1:55 p.m. here. So where is 1:55? I think I have marked this level here, 1:55. Okay, I booked around, okay, what price? 60. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, this was my first loss and first trade. Okay, second trade, what I did is I just marked the open price, and you can see this is the open price, I mean the lower support for the day, and it took support one more time here and nearly here, and once this broke this level it came for the retest, so I entered here at this point, and you can see the time 2:19. Okay, 2:19, somewhere here, this is where I entered, and I exited after 60 points, nearly 60 points, because once the price came cost to cost, I exited my trade, and you can see around 596, and you can see the move for now. If I had hold the position, look at the move. Okay, it was easily around 10 to 12,000 rupees profit. Market is continuously going down, and in fact it is crashing, so that is what I can see. I don't know what is the reason for the crash. Even the Nifty is coming from the all-time high, and it is making a low for the day, and it is continuously falling from 1.5 hours. It is continuously falling, and the Bank Nifty could not sustain at 32,800 levels, and it came to 32,000. So its next support will be, if we go to higher time frame, okay, so 15 minutes at least. So what will be its support? Around this level, 32,000 level. So that will be the support. Till then, Bank Nifty might, or connecting the previous low with the Fibonacci, you can see the price is coming nearly, not exactly nearly, this 0.23 level is 32,000. So price can retest or retrace till this point, and it may bounce back. See, it is in complete bullish market. So so retrace, without retracement market cannot go like this, no. So it will go like this. It will, this is an impulsive move, this is correct move, impulsive, correct. Okay, this is how the market goes. And you can see there is a trend line support also here at this point. So sorry for this. And let's see guys, and this is the position for the day, and you can see the article. That's it for the day guys. Thank you.